PERUZZO chipper, the model is TB100-C PRO. High performance drum chipper. As you have seen, it doesn't stop at green material, not even at dry material. We reach up to 11 centimeters in cutting diameter. Let's discover it together. Drum chipper. The material intake is regulated by a hydraulic roller. This hydraulic roller is managed by an electronic control unit with a stress-free system that automatically regulates the material intake based on the engine's workload. So you will always have the engine at maximum power and performance. A very wide hopper. The opening is as wide as the maximum width of the drum, so the material can be very leafy. There are no problems and no resistance. On the back, we have the safety lever that allows us to manage the material intake and stop. So simply by operating the handle, we can stop the roller's rotation, reverse the roller's rotation, or stop it completely. On the top, we have the safety button, which is pressed and the machine stops immediately. On the side, we also have the ability to quickly adjust the speed of the roller's rotation. So we adjust the speed at which the material enters the cutting system. As for the engine, we have a Briggs & Stratton engine. It is a 23 horsepower twin cylinder that manages the chipper part, while here we have the engine that powers the track transmission. So when you need to make movements, you don't need to have the chipper on, you just turn on the engine that powers the tracks. Simply by unscrewing the two knobs, you adjust the discharge angle of the discharge chute. Lock the knobs and you can continue working. Additionally, there is also the option to detach the chipper and mount a dump box. So this machine can also be converted into a motorized wheelbarrow. Goodbye everyone and see you next time.